Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enter UEFI BIOS settings from Microsoft Windows. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. To access BIOS from Windows 10, open Settings and select the Update and Security category. In the Update and Security page, select Recovery from the left menu, and then click the Restart Now button under the Advanced Startup section. From the Choose an Option menu, go to Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options page, click UEFI Firmware Settings, and then Restart to enter BIOS. On Windows 11, open Settings and navigate to System Settings. Once there, head to Recovery and click on the Restart Now button, under the Advanced Startup section. From the Choose an Option menu, go to Troubleshoot and select Advanced Options. Now, click on the UEFI Firmware Settings to restart your computer to the BIOS. And that concludes this video on how to enter BIOS in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful.